Right now I'm heading out to Home Depot to buy a doorknob for my door, because apparently somebody noticed my doorknob was missing on one of my last videos. So Anthony Ledesma, if you're looking at this video, this is for you. I'm gonna send you the bill too. Che vato culero. Che vato fijón. Here they are. What? That one? Is it the same one? Oh yeah. I want to buy two, because we need two here. Oh, ay güey. Let's just take two of these. Let's go. Bye. We got them. Gonna go head home and install them real quick. Sir? Let me see the back. The doorknob that we're gonna be fixing today is right here. I don't know how somebody would notice, but they noticed. It's cool. It's cool though. I'm gonna fix it. This side is good. It's only this one. And then while I'm at it, I'm gonna fix this other doorknob. I also broke it. I broke it. My strong ass hands broke it. It's kind of hard though, opening it. So let me go grab some tools and we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna take a couple because I don't know what size I need. So looking at these, I just noticed that they come with the Allen wrench. Yeah, so it's gonna make the job easier. I'm gonna open them up. My Allen wrench. I'm gonna take off the little nut right here. That's how you take it off. Alright, I'm gonna fix. I think I'm able to use the same nut for this one. Yeah, so. I don't think it's gonna work. It's not gonna work, bro. Because these doorknobs have the lock, so it's not gonna go all the way in. We are fucked. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna go return them. Alright, so I just got back from Home Depot and I couldn't find the right ones or the same ones I had, so I ended up getting this different one. Let's hope it fits. If not, I'm gonna be so pissed. It doesn't fit again. My life, bro. Look at this shit. I guess I'm just gonna switch the whole thing out. Valió madre. It doesn't fit. I'm just gonna switch the whole thing. Okay, more work for me. Alright, if it gets stuck, you just gotta press this little thing here and then it comes off. Okay, so it goes like this. There you go, bro. There you go, pimp. Put your new bolts. Wait, let me go get the new bolts. What are you doing? Let me see, baby. That's how you fix the doorknob. Thanks, bro. What's up? Bye. Vente, córrele. Get inside. Do you notice anything else wrong with my house, bro? Cause I can fix it. You know I can fix it. You like it, baby?